6 म्हयन्यांनी विधानसभेचे अधिवेशन जावपाकूच जाय हे संविधानीक तरतुदीक लागून मंगळारा गोंय विधानसभेचे एका दिसाचे टेक्निकल अधिवेशन राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हाच्या अभिभाशणान सुरू जालें आनी 3-4 मिनटांचे तिचे भाशणा बरोबर अधिवेशन सोंपलें.
6 months shall not intervene between two consecutive sessions of the Assembly of a state. The sitting of the last session of this August Assembly was held on 31st August 2016 and therefore by meeting today the constitutional limit of 6 months has been complied with.
राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हाचे अभिभाषण जाले उपरांत विधानसभे फुडें कामकाजूच ना अशी परिस्थिती. विरोधकांक उतर सुद्दां काडूंक वाव दिलो ना.
ही तर लोकशाहीची थट्टा आहे. दिस इज ओनली देअर टू मेंटेन द गव्हर्नमेंट टू हॅव हॉर्स ट्रेडिंग. घोडे बाजार चला. No, after the results, government will be there, no?
Okay. So is this a valid session at all, sir?
I don't know. It is now for the legal brains to protect themselves. But anyway, elections have taken place.
So you promised that yesterday. What happened?
The governor has said in his speech, her speech, that this is only a constitution. She is not taking up issues and nothing. So the very fact, the way she has started, in fact, as a legislator, I begin to ask myself why this assembly was required. The government has failed. It's a shame on part of the government to have an assembly like this. Means the governor calls an assembly.
I don't know why they have called this session on the last day. Everybody was well aware about the constitutional requirement. If they wanted to call the session, they should have called it much before, 1 month or 1.5 months before. I think now they must have realized that assembly will be dissolved today night in case they don't hold this session. That is why they have abruptly decided to hold this session.
But you all were not given a chance to talk.
Yesterday they have submitted invitation or that the notice has reached to us on late in the night on Sunday. There is no agenda, nothing on the letter. It only says that governor will address. That's all.
सरकार आणि मुख्यमंत्री ह्या अधिवेशनाक तयार नाशिल्लो संविधानीक बंधन म्हूण घेवचें पडलें.
Today's session was a technical session. एक म्हणजे when the fate of the next government has been sealed in EVMs, convening a session by the earlier government was against the constitution, I would say, rather, and that is why I was not for it. पण हांगा काही लोक असे असतात ते स्वयंघोषित कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल एक्सपर्ट्स असतात आणि त्यामुळे टू पुट एंड ओके टेक्निकॅलिटी आफोवंक जाय जाल्यार आफोवया. पूण म्हाका सांग, नवीन सरकारचे फेट जेन्ना हातून इलेक्ट्रॉनीक मशिनाक सील जाल्लो आसा थंय आदल्या सरकाराचें अधिवेशन घेवन गजाली करप, वेगळ्या वेगळ्या विशयांचेर चर्चा करप म्हणजे इट वूड बी मॉकरी ऑफ द इलेक्शन्स आणि डेमोक्रेसी आणि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑल्सो.
It was clearly stated that this session was merely to complete the constitutional provision.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.